Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Connect the iPad to a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes. Make a quick backup if you can, iCloud or local, because restoring erases everything. Once connected, force a restart to enter recovery mode, press the proper key sequence for your model, and hold until the recovery screen appears. This first step starts the only reliable factory reset path when normal settings erase is unavailable, and it prepares the device for the computer-based restore process. Once in recovery or DFU mode, look at Finder or iTunes, you'll see an alert that the iPad needs to be restored. Choose Restore. This downloads firmware and reinstalls iPad OS. It's the definitive reset method because it replaces system software. Make sure you allow the full download and installation, which can take 15–45 minutes depending on speed. If the download fails, retry. If errors repeat, reboot the computer and repeat the sequence. This detailed middle step ensures a clean, factory-grade wipe. When the restore completes, your iPad restarts to the Setup Assistant. Follow on-screen prompts and sign in with the Apple ID originally used to remove activation lock. This step explains why credentials matter. If activation lock blocks setup, you must provide the original Apple ID or contact Apple with proof of purchase. There is no workaround. If the restore failed or reports errors, retry DFU mode, swap cables, and try another computer, firewalls, or old iTunes versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.